cars, windshields, wheels, trucks and doors. They drive and honk, we ride along, and then together sing a song. Cars! Cars, 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 made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear, beep and steer, and take you to high gear.
Helper cars.
The little cars are playing at the playground. They're having so much fun. Oh, look, a yellow leaf is falling from that tree. Fall has come. Cars, if fall has arrived, it means the weather will get colder. We need to build a garage to shelter from the wind and rain. It seems only the purple car understands this. And its friends have decided to keep playing. The cars went to play on the swings. This is the helper car's garage. They will help the little car build a big, sturdy garage. We'll need a lot of help. A crane, a forklift truck, an excavator, a concrete mixer, and a dump truck head to the construction site. Show them where you want to build the garage. Here. Take a stick and draw the outline of the garage on the ground. The foundation will be a rectangle. The excavator gets to work. The dump truck unloads the construction blocks. The crane lays the blocks in the trench. And you get a wall. The other cars still haven't come to help. The building continues without them. Oh, the crane ran out of construction blocks. Here comes the concrete mixer. It pours cement mixture into the molds from its drum. There are different colored molds for different shapes. Let's pour in the cement mixture and close the mold. Are those lazy cars still playing on the swings? Oh no, it's starting to rain. You can't play on the swings anymore. You need to get out of the rain. The red car doesn't want to go anywhere. It's still playing on the swings. The blue car is trying to build a garage from the remaining blocks, but they're different shapes. It doesn't look very sturdy, but the clever little car's garage is almost ready. Excavator, are you free now? Please help the blue car dig a hole. The excavator goes to help. The crane brings a block for the small garage. Oh, the red car is really cold. The rain doesn't seem to be stopping. Where can we take shelter? Under the slide? No, the little car doesn't fit. Look, wooden boards. Maybe you could build a garage with them. Did it work? It looks like a makeshift shelter. Get in. We'll see if it works. The shelter made of thin boards fell down. And the blocks collapsed too. The blue car is stuck and can't get out. Quick, to the rescue! Let's move the blocks. Hooray! And now everyone is off to shelter from the rain. It's good that the helper cars and the purple car built a good, sturdy garage.
Cars, 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 cars. Windshields, wheels, trucks and doors. They drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song. Cars! Cars, 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 cars. Made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear, beep and steer, and take you to high gear.
Helper cars.
Oh my! There's a storm and some very strong winds outside. The poor car transporter is going to have trouble driving in this weather. Ah, a tornado. Hold tight, little cars. Oh no! The storm is over, but all the cars are broken. One's lost a wheel, another lost his number. And the blue car's got a scratch. The red car is split in two. And the car transporter is overturned. We'll need lots of helper cars. Let's get different colored tow trucks to help. A color for each car. A red tow truck. A green tow truck. What color will these cars be? Blue, orange, and purple. The 5 tow trucks are ready to go and help. They're going to take the broken cars to the repair shop. The tow trucks are at the site of the accident. Look, the crane truck is already here. He's lifting the car transporter up. Now, let's put each car on the tow truck with the same color. The green car goes on the green tow truck. The red car goes on the red one. The blue car goes on the blue one. The purple car goes on the purple one. The orange car can get to the repair shop on the orange tow truck. They're almost there. Go on in. Let's start the repairs. What do we need? A new tire. There's one. The green car's number has come off. Where is it? There it is. The orange car is missing a wheel. Which one do we need, though? The right one. That's 3 cars fixed now. The car transporter has brought its platform down. Climb aboard. It's the red car's cabin. We need to put it in a chassis. All done. Haha, good as new. The blue car has got a scratch. Let's paint over it. We'll need some blue paint and a brush. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. The scratch is gone. The cars are leaving the repair shop and getting back on the car transporter. It's taking them to the car show. And the helper cars are going back to their garage. There will probably be a new task tomorrow, so they'll need to get some good rest.
Cars, 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 windshields, wheels, trucks and doors, they drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song. Cars! Cars, 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 made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear, beep and steer, and take you to high gear.
Helper cars.
In front of the helper car's garage, there's a crane at work. It's digging some huge bathtubs. I wonder why. Oh, paint is pouring into the bathtubs. And here's a little horse. Is it waiting for a bus? The bathtubs are filled up with paint. What beautiful colors! Out of the garage comes a gray bus. Now we're going to paint you. The bus is plunging into the paint. Oh, you can't even see its roof. What color is the bus? Red. That's right. The horse is going to ride on the red bus. But the puppy was too late. Don't worry, little puppy. There's another bus for you coming out of the garage. Let's paint it green. How beautiful! The puppy is getting on the green bus. A mommy cat and her kittens are walking to the bus stop. It looks like one kitten is missing. His mommy is calling him. Oh dear, the silly thing is playing with the paint. Little kitten, you've got a purple paw. Let's wash it. Now you can go to the bus stop. The kittens are going to catch the purple bus. Do you like this color? On you go, kittens. 1, 2, 3, 4. Have a nice trip, kittens. What do you think? Where did all the multicolored buses go? There they are, waiting at the traffic lights. Red, yellow, green, and off the buses go. All the passengers are enjoying themselves because the buses are taking them to the playground. The horse is playing in the red ball pit. The puppy wants to ride on the slide. You're very brave. The kittens are coming out of the purple bus and are running off to play in the purple ball pit. At the bus stop, the orange bus with the yellow stripe has arrived. The bus will take everyone home. Come on, kitten. The bus is waiting. Buses, thanks for doing a great job.
Cars, cars, cars. Windshields, wheels, trucks and doors. They drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song. Cars! Cars, 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 cars. Made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear. Beep and steer and take you to high gear.
Helper cars.
The cars are playing with a ball next to the car repair shop. Oops! The ball has rolled under the door. You can't quite reach it. The cars have decided to open the door and go inside. Stop! You can't play soccer in here. Look! A tin of paint has fallen right onto the yellow car. Oh no! You've spilled the motor oil. The nuts and bolts have fallen. And now you've got a flat tire. The red car needs help. Let's put it on the platform. This wheel is right for you. Oh no! Now it's stuck! Wait, green car. You need to save your friends. Helper cars! You're needed at the car repair shop. It's a good thing these big cars are always ready to help. They're rushing to the repair shop. The manipulator goes in first. It can use its claw to grab the tires that have fallen onto the yellow car. Fantastic! Now the crane is going into the repair shop. It can use its big magnet to pick up all the nuts and bolts. Let's put them back in place. Street sweeper, it's your turn. It's cleaning up the spilled oil with its brushes. All done. The manipulator uses a paint roller to cover up the splashes on the wall. The wall looks brand new. Let's fix this shelf. The dump truck has brought a new rack for the tires and a cabinet. Let's put the rack over by this wall. And let's put the cabinet with the drawers here. Let's put the tin and the oil canister inside. The forklift arranges the tires on the rack. Who is this tire for? Oh, of course, it's for the red car. Now it can drive around again. Manipulator, could you paint over the pink splashes with yellow paint? Please? Of course it can. The car is all yellow again, with no splashes to be seen. Unbelievable! Cars, are you really playing ball near the repair shop again? You'd better go to the playground. The helper cars are going back to their garage. They need to rest, in case the little cars need help again tomorrow.
Cars, cars, cars. Windshields, wheels, trucks and doors. They drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song. Cars! Cars, 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 cars. Made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear, beep and steer and take you to high gear.
Helper cars.
The puppy is playing with a rubber bone in front of his kennel. What does he want to do with it? He probably wants to hide it in a hole. The puppy's burying his treasure. Oh, what's that yellow thing in the ground? Let's try to dig it up. A wheel and a bumper. Are those car parts? If an entire car is buried under the ground, then the puppy can't drag it out by himself. The helper cars are leaving their garage. The excavator, crane truck, and tow truck. Helper cars, your job today is to help the puppy dig up a car. The cars are following the puppy. You've got to dig here. The excavator got the job done quickly. It's dug up the car. Now it's the crane truck's turn. It's pushing out its arm and lowering its hook and taking the car out of the ground. Oh, what a beautiful old-fashioned car. Let's fix it up. The tow truck is driving the car to the repair shop. What's there, puppy? A steering wheel. The car won't work without its wheel. The puppy is also going to the repair shop. The tow truck is already at the repair shop. Catch up, puppy. To fix the car, they're lifting it up onto a big platform. This is very interesting to watch. A special brush to clean off the rust. We'll need some paint. Which should we choose? The purple. Let's paint the car, and it will be as good as new. Beautiful! But the car is still missing its front wheels. This one's too big. This one too. But the third one fits. Let's attach the windshield. And the steering wheel the puppy found. All done. Puppy, do you want a ride? Let's go. The old-fashioned car is driving quickly down the road. The puppy loves going for rides. The excavator's already filled up the hole that the crane truck took the car out of. The puppy can play in front of his kennel again and hide his bone. Thank you, helper cars. We'll definitely have another job for you.
Cars, 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 cars. Windshields, wheels, trucks and doors. They drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song. Cars! Cars, 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 cars. Made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear, beep and steer, and take you to high gear.
Helper cars.
It's raining in the playground. But look, the clouds are going away. The rain has stopped. It's left some muddy puddles behind. The four little cars have come to play at the playground. The blue and yellow cars are playing on the swings. The red and green cars are jumping on the bouncy castle. The police car's leaving the helper car's garage. He has to patrol the town and also keep an eye on the little ones at the playground. The little cars are driving through the tunnel. Now they've decided to ride down the slide. The green car is going up. And the red car is too. Oh no, there's a huge puddle at the bottom. The green cars decided not to go down. Oh! But the red car has pushed him. You must never do that. The police car is blowing on his whistle because somebody's behaving very badly. The helper cars are coming to the rescue. The water truck, the excavator with a clamp, and the forklift truck. How quickly they've arrived. Green car, first let's clean you. The excavator's grabbed a sponge and is cleaning the green car. The water truck is washing off the suds. The green car has a big scratch. We'll have to paint over it. The forklift is driving to the repair shop for paint. Wow! There are a whole 4 colors. Let's place all the tins of paint on the ground. Blue, green, red, and yellow. And here's a hairdryer, so the car's paint will dry more quickly, and he can go and play. The green cars jumped right into the can. We're turning on the hairdryer. The car is drying. So, what are you planning to do? Do you also want to jump into a can? Now everyone is green. The whistle again. You shouldn't play with paint. Let's go get clean. The cars have been cleaned, but one's run off. Stop! You've also got to be cleaned. There are 2 green cars. We'll wash them now to find out which one is really green. Everything's in order. Everyone is neat and clean again. Thank you, helper cars. The big cars are returning to their garage. Thank you for your help. Until next time.
Helper cars.